Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you quickly and easily how to invest in strategy stock, formerly known as MicroStrategy, even if you're a complete beginner. So in this video we're going to show you, few things or few reasons why you should probably invest in strategy stock. I'm going to get right into it and show you how to buy it quickly and easily, even if you're a complete beginner. So let's get right into it. So why would you even invest in strategy stock in the first place? Well, it is up 1,825% since Michael Saylor kind of started purchasing Bitcoin for strategy back on August 10th, 2020. And currently, Strategy holds about 528,000 Bitcoin and counting, which gives them the largest Bitcoin stash on Wall Street. Then they have the largest corporate Bitcoin stash in the entire world. So obviously, Strategy shares have done extremely well. As you can see, over the last 5 years, Strategy stock has outperformed the S&P 500, Apple stock, the NASDAQ 100, and even NVIDIA. So quickly show you guys how to do it. So the first to get started on how to invest in strategy stock is you're going to need an account. Now I like to use Robinhood, guys, and the reason why I like Robinhood is because you get free stock trades on Robinhood. Okay, it's really easy to buy and sell, and you can do it quickly and easily. So all you need to do is simply sign up for a Robinhood account. You can just click the link in the description below if you guys don't already have a Robinhood account. And then obviously you need to get signed up or whatever, and you have to make your first deposit. Now, the cool thing about Robinhood is you can make instant deposits, okay? So you don't have to wait like 3 or 4 business days like I have to wait when I, for instance, buy stocks on E-Trade. So with Robinhood, you can have instant deposits. Just link your checking account. Boom, you're ready to go. So now all you have to do is type in the ticker symbol once you have your account set up. The ticker symbol for a strategy stock is MSTR. I don't know why they're still calling it MicroStrategy here on Robinhood, because technically the name has changed. They got rid of the micro and now it's just technically called strategy. But yeah, so it is what it is there. So like I said, you type in the ticker symbol, okay? So now you're gonna have this buy order. Now it'll look a little bit different on your phone. Like I said, I'm making this video on my laptop, but you can also download the Robinhood app and purchase the stock with Robinhood app as well. So all you have to do is set up the buy order. Okay, so the buy order is over here to buy MSTR. Now there's different types of orders. I'm going to quickly run through which each of them means. Buy order is basically a market trade. It's going to purchase the stock immediately. And strategy stock is one of the few stocks that does trade on Robinhood extended hours. So you can purchase it as early as 4 o'clock in the morning during trade during Monday through Friday Eastern Standard Time. So it pretty much trades almost like 24 hours pretty much. Limit orders, you want to buy it at a specific price, okay? So you tell what price you want to purchase it at, how many shares, and then you can set whether you want market hours, which is 6:30 a.m. to 1 p.m., or you want extended hours, which is kind of the entire trading session from 4 a.m. to 5 p.m., or you want 24 hours. So you can just basically pick which one you want. And then, like I said, it has the order expired is today. So it definitely has when the order runs out. Okay, so like I said, looking at these two numbers here, you look at the bid and the ask. So the bid is basically how much people are offering to purchase it. The ask is how much people want to sell it at. Usually I like to use market trades because I just like to buy consistently month over month. But if you guys are waiting to buy a certain price or dip, you guys can use limit trades, okay? Then also they have a few other type of orders as well. These orders to stop loss order. These are kind of the orders that you're going to pretty much need, to kind of limit potential losses. And then you have trailing stops and recurring investments. So like I said, guys, usually I would just stick to using the buy or the limit orders. We'll get into some of these more advanced trading techniques in another video. I'm going to make a separate video on each one, explaining one because it's a little bit complicated. But for all you need, for if you're a beginner, you need to just do a market order, which does it right away. And then you can change it here. Now on Robinhood in particular, you can either purchase shares, a number of shares, or you can invest a dollar amount. So like I said, right now the current price is $242. Maybe you don't have $242 to invest. Well, you could just purchase $100 worth of strategy stock, or even $50. And that's one of the good things about Robinhood. They have partial shares on Robinhood, so that would allow you to kind of build up your position over time if you don't have as much capital. So all you have to do is just type in how many shares you want to purchase, review your order, and boom, send. It should get executed. So pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Like I said, I recommend Robinhood a lot of you guys. If you guys are interested in purchasing strategy stock in something like a SEP IRA or a Roth IRA as well, there are some alternatives, but Robinhood does offer IRAs, and they have a 1% match, which is really great. And one of the really the only few brokers that I've seen that actually do matches on IRA contributions. And of course, you get current to current rates. You get a pretty good APY on any cash you hold on Robinhood. So that's it, guys. Pretty straightforward on how to purchase strategy stock. If you're a beginner, let me know if you guys found this video helpful. And like I said, please subscribe to the channel for more videos coming from me. That's all I got until next time, guys. Take care.